When given the opportunity to conduct this project on 2 different schools, I thought that I would analyze my high school, Lusinger, and its rival Hawthorne High School. These results helped settle the ongoing battle between myself and my parents on which school was better in terms of fitness. Both of my parents attended Hawthorne High School and feel that it is the best high school compared to Lusinger. We will soon come to find out, just as I did, which school was better in terms of fitness gram results. For Lusinger, I decided to first look at the overall summary results, which are the following. So for aerobic capacity, the healthy fitness zone is 57.6 and the improvement is 26.7. As far as body composition goes, the healthy fitness zone is 61.4 and improvement 24.7. For abdominal strength, the healthy fitness zone is 84.3 and the improvement is 15.7. For trunk extension strength, the healthy fitness zone is 92.4 and the improvement is 7.6. Upper body strength is healthy fitness zone, which is 65.9 and improvement 34.1. As far as flexibility goes, the healthy fitness zone is 88.6 and the improvement is 11.4. So for each of these slides, I will be analyzing students in healthy fitness zone and percentage of students who are in need of improvement. In relation to Hawthorne High School, the overall summary results are aerobic capacity, where the students stayed in the healthy fitness zone of 37.0, and there were 49% of students who were needing to make improvement. As far as body composition goes, healthy fitness zone percent is 56.7 and improvement 24.3. Abdominal strength, healthy fitness zone 74.9, improvement 25.1. For trunk extension strength, the healthy fitness zone 96.6 and improvement is 3.4%. Upper body strength, healthy fitness zone 52.8, improvement 47.2. Flexibility, healthy fitness zone of 83.2 and the improvement score of 16.8. So as spoken about in the previous slide, I'll be going over each of the 6 levels listed above, as well as the percentage of students who need improvement. Based on the overall summary results, you can see that Lusinger High School has the highest percentage of students who stayed in their healthy fitness zone. So in terms of Lusinger High School, looking at the female summary report this time, the aerobic capacity in terms of healthy fitness zone is 54.6, improvement is 32.1, body composition, healthy fitness zone of 67.4, improvement of 23.9. Abdominal strength, healthy fitness zone of 84.4, improvement of 15.6. Trunk extension strength, healthy fitness zone of 93.1, an improvement of 6.9. Upper body strength, healthy fitness zone of 71.1%, an improvement of 28.9. In terms of flexibility, healthy fitness zone is 92.2, improvement 77.8. Looking at Hawthorne High School, we can see that the female summary report, they do have similar results in terms of percentages. In terms of aerobic capacity, the healthy fitness zone is 32.2, improvement is 52.0, body composition, healthy fitness zone 60.6, improvement 24.4, abdominal strength, healthy fitness zone of 75.0, improvement to 25.0, trunk extension strength, healthy fitness zone 98.9, and improvement 1.1%. Upper body strength, healthy fitness zone 56.1, improvement 43.9. Flexibility, healthy fitness zone 87.8, improvement 12.2%. The statistics that I found to be the most interesting was the trunk extension strength, because I found it interesting that only 1.1% of the 9th grade population needed to make improvement. I feel that that is definitely a win in comparison to Lusinger in terms of them needing 6.9%. So in terms of Lusinger, looking at the male summary report, we can see that the aerobic capacity for healthy fitness zone is 59.9 and improvement is 22.4. Body composition, healthy fitness zone 56.6, improvement 25.4. Abdominal strength, healthy fitness zone 84.2, improvement 15.8. For trunk extension strength, healthy fitness zone 91.9, Improvement 8.1 for upper body strength healthy fitness zone is 61.8, improvement 38.2. For flexibility, the healthy fitness zone is 85.7%, and the improvement rate is 14.3%. In terms of Hawthorne High School, looking at the male summary report, we can see that the aerobic capacity, healthy fitness zone is 40.7, the improvement is 45.9. For body composition, the healthy fitness zone 53.7, the improvement 24.2. Abdominal strength, healthy fitness zone is 74.9, improvement 25.1. Trunk extension strength, healthy fitness zone 94.8, improvement 5.2. In terms of upper body strength, the healthy fitness zone 50.2, and the improvement is 49.3%. Flexibility, healthy fitness zone is 79.7, improvement 20.3. So in terms of these scores, we can see that Lusinger is coming in terms of being quote better. They would be seen as doing well in terms of each capacity or strength. So in terms of Lusinger High School, looking at the economically disadvantaged report, we can see that the aerobic capacity for healthy fitness zone is 57.6, and the improvement is 27.6. For body composition, healthy fitness zone is 61.6, improvement 24.7. Abdominal strength, healthy fitness zone 84.2, improvement 15.8. Trunk extension strength, healthy fitness zone 92.1, improvement is 7.9. Upper body strength, healthy fitness zone 64.3, improvement 35.7. Flexibility, healthy fitness zone 88.0, and improvement 12.0. So in terms of Hawthorne High School, looking at the economically disadvantaged population report, we can see that the aerobic capacity, healthy fitness zone is 35.4, improvement is, improvement is 52.2, body composition, healthy fitness zone 56.5, improvement 24.1, abdominal strength, healthy fitness zone 96.8, improvement 3.2, upper body strength, healthy fitness zone 51.0, improvement 49.0, flexibility, healthy fitness zone 83.2, improvement 16.8. So in terms of these results, I do feel that Hawthorne may have had a better advantage point here in terms of results for the healthy fitness zone. So the overall results of Lusinger versus Hawthorne High School, when looking at the comparison of the schools, to me it showed that Lusinger High School does in fact come out on top in regards to the sports and the FitnessGram data shown. So this is interesting because now Hawthorne High School has shown they're excelling in terms of sports. This is just my own observations looking at the sports systems and physical education systems from previous years to behind. However, Lusinger is making a comeback in regards to sports and is still proving to excel academically.